Now, one of the smallest laptop na nahawakan ko since the netbook days. This is a Chuwi Minibook X. Ang liit niya, it reminds me a lot of yung mga netbook na gamit-gamit ko dati, back in the days. It's so lightweight and ang sarap bitbitin kahit saan ka pumunta, be it travel or just simply working inside a coffee shop, panalong-panalo ang kanyang size. One thing na gusto ko dito sa kanya, it's touchscreen. And the best part, it's foldable. Pwede maging yoga. Panalo, di ba? More info after this quick intro. Now, itong Chuwi Minibook X na may 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage comes at a price point na 20,000 pesos, which I'll link on the description box below kung saan siya pwede mabili. Now, usapang form factor, sobrang liit na itong laptop na ito. It's so small that it reminds me a lot of yung mga netbook na ginagamit ko back in the days. It's very small, very compact, very easy to carry around wherever you go. Dati yung mga netbook, wala silang touchscreen na capability. But dito sa Chuwi Minibook X, touchscreen na rin siya. Hindi lang siya basta-basta touchscreen. Pwede mo siyang gawing, ganito, tablet mode, which is definitely good if you're going to watch some videos. Pwede mo rin siyang gawin siya as stand na ganito, no? Itatay mo na sa iyong table, and pwede mo na siya gamitin as touchscreen. And I would say yung kanyang hinge is very sturdy, Hindi siya yung flimsy na hinge. Ito, magandang, matigas ang kanyang hinge, no? So, giving you better durability, hindi siya basta-basta bibigay ang iyong hinges dito. Now, another thing na gusto ko rin dito sa kanya is okay ang kanyang keyboard. Very quiet and very responsive ang kanyang keyboards dito, which gives you yung ample enough space to type dito sa kanyang keyboard. There are other keyboard like yung mga back in the days, yung mga netbook, sobrang cramped, no? Kung lalo kung medyo malalaki yung mga fingers, medyo mahirapan ka mag-type. Not here sa Chuwi Minibook X. It's so easy to type. Probably one thing na medyo nahirapan ako is medyo maliit ang kanyang trackpad. It's very small, but it gets the job done. But I would highly recommend you to get a mouse, be it optical, wired, or wireless, just to give you that better feel pag navigate, no? But nevertheless, it's touchscreen pero iba pa rin ang may gamit kang physical na mouse. Itong trackpad kasi medyo maliit kaya medyo nabibitin ako sa kanya. Now, another thing na gusto ko rin dito sa kanya is backlit ang kanyang keyboard. Meron siyang white light sa likod, giving you a better, clearer na typing experience, lalo kung medyo madilim ang place or you're just simply turn off everything na light sa bahay, sa loob ng yung kwarto and you just want simply to type, makita mo every single character dito kasi dahil meron siyang LED na backlit ka ng keyboard. For me, okay yan. It's a good feature that I like. And another thing na gusto ko rin dito sa kanya is sobrang yung lightweight. No, it's just less than a kilogram. This is just around mga 2 pounds. So that's estimated at around mga 0.9 kilograms. So 900 grams, more or less estimate ko. Another thing is pwede ka mag-fold na ganito. No? And this is probably one of the good things na gusto ko dito sa laptop na ito, flexibility. Pag once na sinara mo siya, this is only just 8mm thick. So almost as thick as a Red Magic na smartphone. Now, itong laptop na ito is being powered by the Intel N100. And meron siyang Intel na UHD graphics to give you just at least yung basic task ng mga editing like sa CapCut. Kayang-kaya naman na tumakbo dito. Wala kang magiging problema. Pero siguro, if you're trying to run Premiere Pro, don't even think about it. I'm pretty sure mahirapan tong laptop mo. But if you're just simply editing sa Photoshop, kayang-kaya. Walang magiging problema. Now, pagdating naman sa kanyang performance, I would say okay na okay siya. Dahil this one has a 12 gigs of RAM ready to give you that extra boost pagdating sa mga application mo. Kasi normally dati, you get 2 and 4 gigs of RAM, medyo mabibitin ka. Siguro, I guess, back in the days, okay siya. But ngayon, this one packs in together with a 12 gigs of RAM, gives you more room enough to do all of your multitasking dito all at once dito sa Chuwi Minibook X, which for me, panalong-panalo. And another thing on top of this one is that malaki ang kanyang storage. 512 ang kanyang SSD dito sa loob. I'm pretty sure that a mini laptop like this one, 512, I think it's more than enough. You can always use external storage pag nabibitin kayo. And another good thing dito sa kanya, it's being charged by a USB Type-C na charger. This one requires a 65 watts na charging brick, which you can always buy like yung mga sa Ugreen or sa Anchor if you lost your charger, which is for me pretty good kasi hindi na yung mga tipong bilog na pag nawala ka ng charger, maghanap ka kung saan just to buy another charger. This one, USB Type-C, basta PD 2.0, basta meron siyang PD, pwede mo na i-charge dito sa 65 watt. And sa kabilang din dito, it has a audio port, so you can always put on your favorite headphones. Pwede ka rin mag-go wireless if you like dahil support naman niya ang mga TWS. So, Bluetooth connectivity, goods for me. Lalo gumagamit ako ng internet sa loob ng coffee shop and dito sa bahay. One thing na gusto ko rin dito sa kanya, it supports Wi-Fi 6. So, giving you faster internet connectivity. Basta Wi-Fi 6 ang yung router, makapagsagap ka ng mabilis na internet dito sa kanya. And another thing is that yung kanyang Bluetooth dito is Bluetooth 5.2. So, you can get a more streamlined na connectivity with your Bluetooth mouse or Bluetooth speaker or your other Bluetooth peripherals na gusto mo i-connect dito. Wala kang maging problema with its connectivity. Very reliable ang Bluetooth 5.2. Now, for me, ang kanyang screen is ample enough. A 10.5-inch na screen. It's really clear. Wala kang maging problema dito if you're doing some number crunching sa Excel, if you're watching videos dito sa laptop na ito, everything's going to be fine. Kasi it's, for me, ample enough. Itong display niya, it's really good. And kahit mag-photo editing ka dito, wala kang maging problema dito sa kanya. And another thing is that it has a very decent web camera dito which can give you access to video calls, video conferencing with your friends or your workmates or your office mates. It's really a good feature to have. So, pakita ko sa inyo quickly a sample video using its web camera. So guys, right now, I'm using the Chuwi Minibook X recording this video. And yeah, by default, I'm also using its default audio to take this, record this video. And kamusta naman kanyang quality? I would say for me, looking at here, it's pretty nice and decent for a very small, compact na laptop like this one. And the audio is quite good. And yeah, let me know in the comments kung what do you think about yung kanyang performance. So guys, ano tingin ko dito sa Chuwi Minibook X? I would say na it's really a good investment. Lalo if you're a travel junkie that you need to do a lot of homework, replying to a lot of emails. Perfect na perfect to. Hindi lang naman siya for work, pwede rin siya for entertainment or for video chatting. This is definitely a laptop that you should own. A very small, very versatile, very flexible na Chuwi Minibook X. So if you want to know guys kung saan nyo pwede mabili ito, I'll be linking everything on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And if sub to this channel, it's definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.